And yet, another leak from this channel was 100% accurate. Now you know why you should subscribe to this channel. Let's explore this monster drone, the Inspire 3. For a decade, Inspire drones have been admired as the leaders of aerial cinematography. With 8K shooting, incredible low light capability, a super wide angle, a large aperture, FPV features, and its sleek and amazing design, DJI has today established a new standard. Talking about the flight performance and system, its propulsion system allows for a maximum horizontal speed of 94 km per hour and a dive speed of 10 meters per second. The TB51 batteries have a 28-minute flight time and supports fast charging and hot swapping. Pilots can safely fly in tight spaces thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology. The new navigation display now includes more customizable obstacle avoidance options. Flight accuracy and safety are improved by the dual antenna design and powerful internal orientation capabilities. When using a DRTK2 ground station or network RTK, 3 GNSS systems can provide centimeter-level positioning. DJI's Inspire 3 drone includes RTK technology, which improves the precision and functionality of Waypoint Pro. Waypoint Pro options for the drone include repeatable routes, which allows for precise parameter control along repeatable flight routes, and 3D dolly, which allows users to create an aerial motion path with adjustable speeds and full gimbal control. The Waypoint's precise movements allow for impossible shots. Spotlight Pro allows you to focus on a specific subject while manually controlling flight, resulting in better aerial shots. Furthermore, the Inspire 3 has a cinema-quality imaging system. The ZenMuse X9 8K Air camera with a full-frame sensor is the key to this. Use ProRes RAW and Cinema DNG codecs to record up to 8K or shoot full-frame 120 frames per second in 4K for pro-level slow-motion shots. The X9 Air provides 14+ stops of dynamic range with dual native EI of 800 and 4000, allowing you to shoot confidently in a wide range of lighting conditions. With a dual native ISO, you can now shoot in low light conditions with ease, and the full-frame sensor elevates the camera above the majority of other cameras on the market. As a result, it will be comparable to many high-end cinema cameras. DOPs now have more creative freedom with the new 18mm f2.8 lens and telephoto lenses on the DJI DL mount. Thanks to the DJI Cinema Color System's outstanding imaging performance and exceptional color science, the Inspire 3 also includes a new tilt boost mode and seamless integration with high-end film sets, including timecode sync support and precision control and set via the DJI RC Plus remote controlled 7-inch 1200 nit high brightness screen. Talking about the batteries, it has both internal and external batteries, allowing it to operate for up to 6 hours with hot swaps. With reliable, high-quality 1080p by 60 fps video feeds within a 15-kilometer range, the O3 Pro transmission enables seamless collaborations on set. For even more control compatibility with products like 4D hand grips and master wheels, pair the Inspire 3 with one RC Plus and one high-bright remote monitor. With remote focus and iris control, the future of intelligent aerial cinematography has only just begun. So, we've been waiting for the Inspire 3 for quite a while, and it's finally here. It looks just incredible. Share your thoughts in the comments section below about DJI Inspire 3. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.